Question, kung hindi po ibinibigay ng kumpanya ang SIL ng mga ilang taon, makukuha po ba ito? Good question, sir. May sagot po tayo niyan based sa research natin. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una, before we give comment, may research tayo dito. Masahin po natin and i-interpret po natin. Sabay-sabay tayo. Ito po, convertible to cash. Unused service incentive leaves are required to be converted to cash at the end of the year or upon the termination of employment due to just causes or separation from the service due to authorized causes. Ang service incentive leave na unused, pwede yan siya i-convert to cash every end of the year. Or, merong word na or upon the termination or of employment. Ibig sabihin, yung mag-alis ka na sa employment, mag-resign ka, or mag-separate ka from the company. Makuha po nyo yan, yung unused service incentive leave in the form of cash kasi ma-convert yan to cash. Ayan po ang understanding natin no, sa unused service incentive leave. Merong option na ma-convert to cash yearly or pag mag-resign na po tayo or mag-alis sa company. Ayan po. Replenishes yearly. No? The service incentive leave replenishes yearly as explained earlier. After the granting of the first 5 service incentive leave credits, the covered employees will be entitled to a new set of leave credits to be given to them on a prorated basis by default unless there is a stipulation more favorable. Simply said, friends, every year po nag-replenish yung 5 days service incentive leave. So, yearly kasi ito binibigay sa mga regular employees na 1 year na po. Ayan po. So, yung 5 days na unused service incentive leave, nandyan lang yan, accumulated po based din sa experience ko sa office namin. Pag hindi magamit yung vacation leave tsaka sick leave namin for the year, nandyan lang yan. Then kung may bago na leave na naman for the next year, hindi ma-convert to cash, hindi magamit, nandyan lang yan. So ma-add on yan siya, accumulated po, then makuha po yan pag time na po na mag-resign tayo, mag-retire, and mag-alis sa company. Ma-convert into cash. Hope na nasagot natin ang question nyo, sir. Keep watching my channel. Lahat ng mga good questions, may answer po tayo niyan. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.